Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to diagnose a customer complaint of a vibration while braking. So first step is we're going to go ahead and confirm customer complaint. We're going to go test drive the car. So I already have an idea of what it is, but we're just going to confirm. You always have to confirm customer complaint. I had a few customers where they hear noises but nothing really happens. So he says it's happening at around 50 to 60 and higher, so we have to pick up speed a bit. We're gonna go stop for this stop sign here. Okay, so the steering wheel is moving left and right, and even the area around here, like the turn signal switch is actually moving too. Okay, I also feel the pedal shaking. All right, so we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna watch the steering wheel, and I won't try to hold it. Okay, so yeah, pretty bad shake. So it's probably just gonna be front rotors, but we're gonna do front rotors and brakes on this car. So what happens is the brake pads, even if the brake pads are still good, they outlast the rotor. So the rotor is the one that went first, so that's why we have to change the rotors. But I never just do rotors, I do rotors and brakes. Never really suspected tires, since it's not a constant vibration. It's only a vibration when braking. And I maintain this car frequently, so I know what's up to date and what's not. And as you can see, the tires, they're really good condition. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out those rotors and brakes. And after that, the customer complaint should be fixed. So let's go ahead and change the brakes. Okay, so let's take off the guide pins first. So, I mean, the pads are still good, but this is what happens when the pads outlast the rotor. So I've seen it on cars with that do a lot of highway. So brakes could last like 5-6 years, but with all the highway driving and the heat cycles, the rotor takes a beating and it tends to be the first one to go. All right, so we're gonna take off the bracket now, 17. This tool has disappointed me many times. Yeah, I'm done asking. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean the bracket, put on the new pads. Lots of rust in the back. Pretty big ridge here. Overall, it was due, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. So bracket and brake pads are ready to go, all cleaned up. Now we're gonna put it back here. Okay, now let's tighten the bracket bolts. Tighten them to spec, of course. Okay, I forgot to compress the caliper. Torque to spec as well. Click. Click. All right, so second side is all done, and don't forget, every time you finish a brake job, make sure you pump the brake pedal a few times before you go on a test drive. All right, so now we're gonna go on a test drive to see if we have fixed the customer complaint. All right, so we're gonna try it here. We're gonna pick up speed. Yeah, it's a lot better now. Okay, one more pull. We're gonna watch the steering wheel. Okay, perfect. All right, so we fixed the customer complaint. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. This car is fixed. So it was just a simple brake job due to warped rotors that is causing a vibration when braking. All right. That's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys found it valuable. Hope you guys find it helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.